Basically, I'm a petroleum engineer. After completing my education, I ventured into operations, then design, and finally landed up into project management of EPC projects pertaining to oil and gas, water, and in a water domain, treatment domain. So from past 11 years, I am doing project management. So that's what I am basically. If you take project management, like what is the important basic important content of project management on which it is dependent, like whether we do project management of oil and gas or water, any domain, the basic the prime feature is like if you cannot manage the scope properly, then it's of no use. So I have been a part of team which has executed projects from $35 million to $500 million. But in all the projects, what I found that managing scope, but particularly from the client's point of view, is very challenging. So I was looking for a certification where this concept, like it can differentiate, means like if you want to manage the scope, you have to differentiate yourself from traditional project management view and focus mainly on requirements, what client wants. So I was searching for this, like, and only PBS fits into this. So finally, I went ahead and did PBA. Many people do project management, okay, like, but the activities which they do in project management, they themselves don't know that it is pertaining to business analysis sometimes. Like for example, in my case, like I was focusing mainly on requirements management from client's point of view, and after I researched and analyzed like what I am doing in my project management activities, so it landed up into business analysis domain. So once I decided to do this PBA, then finally I zeroed down to your course, Eisenbridge PMI PBA course. So after doing this, like whole picture became clear. Like I can differentiate myself from a traditional project management role towards a business analysis role. So now I'm very pretty clear, like in a project, what I have to do to keep client satisfied, stakeholder satisfied, and it's a clear picture, like 360-degree view. Earlier I was not having that view. Now it is clear. Eisenbridge course is very systematically designed. Like first of all, Eisenbridge cleared my like understanding what is PBA. Like the course is divided into various 5 domains, and the videos clearly reflects like what you have to understand pertaining to that particular domain. Like I started watching videos before I started reading the PMI practice guide. Like first, if you watch the videos, it is pretty clear. Like in this domain, you have to understand this thing. Then in this thing, like the process is very clear, and what BA should do in that domain. Then after reading that, seeing that videos and understanding the concepts, we can refer to the PBA practice guide, which is released by PMI. So if we follow this video and practice guide and video back and forth, like you will be pretty clear like what you need to understand and do as a business analysis. And apart from this video course, you have assessment and quiz, like which solidifies your understanding and remove any shortcomings in the understanding if you have, in the form of explanations and quizzes and forums, which is also a good part of the course, and plus the support which you have given me during the course for understanding the concepts. It is very methodical. Like I like that the way the course is designed. When you organize a clarification session, you give an advance notice, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks before. So suppose if I have any doubts pertaining to that session, I can put it in the forum, what questions I have, what I have to get clarified in advance, so that I am prepared, then you are also prepared. And during the clarification session, when you go through the entire process flow, like it becomes clear, like it is a progressive elaboration, we can say. Like it becomes clear what is this topic. After understanding this topic, if I have doubts on that topic, again I can go back to the clarification questions and I can ask you directly then and there. Like after going through that clarification session, I don't need to visit this topic again during my prep. Like it is once for all. That's what is the greatest benefit. What mistake I was doing before joining Eisenbridge course is that I was focusing more on memorizing instead of understanding. Okay, like in my previous attempts, that was my lacuna. Like without understanding the concept, if you try to memorize, then you will end up in trouble. Okay. Now after referring to Eisenberg's course, I got a clear-cut methodology. How should I approach for the PMI BBA prep? So first, I understood what is the concept behind each and every domain. First, I watched the videos, got my domain picture clarified, what BA should do, what is the role of BA, what is the role of PM. And without understanding this, if you try to just read the practice guide, it won't be of much use. So basically, if you see, initially my understanding was like entangled threads. There were no clear path. What should I do? Where should I start? Where should I end? But after referring to this agent-based course, like it gave me a clear path. How should I proceed? And I benefited a lot. You can see I cleared my exam in this attempt. Yeah, PMI PBA certification is for anyone who is directly or indirectly connected to managing the client scope. Okay, like in today's scenario, if you see, like projects are mainly executed under tight time, cost, and schedule timelines. So in such a scenario, if you cannot manage the client's scope and deliver what they want, it's of no use. So anyone, whether they are in project management or whether they are into marketing or whether they are into organization management, whoever is anyway connected to the client management, scope management side, they should do PBA, and they will really benefit from that. Yeah, future test takers should focus only on two main things. Like first, understand what is business analysis from the business analyst point of view. Just don't confuse yourself with the role of PM and business analysis. Like try to understand what business analysis should do and focus on that, because I have seen many test takers who are already PMP but are struggling to clear this PBA, just like me, because they are not differentiating BA's role from the project management role. So first main thing is to clearly understand what business analysis is, and second, like try to stick to one course. I would recommend Eisenbridge course. That is more than enough to pass the PBA exam, and just go with it. Have place full faith on that course, and definitely you will be able to clear.